Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to this amazing channel. My name is Irene, and in case you're coming across to this channel for the very first time, hey, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing this amazing video. So guys, today is actually in the evening. Hello, I'm from church. It's in the evenings, around 4 in the evening, and I'm coming live and clear from this beautiful place over here. I'm from that side. Yes, being on Sunday. Hello, it's on Sunday guys, and I'm right from church. So this is me. Yeah, now you can be able to see me. I want to show you the outfit of the day. Hello. Yes, that is me, and I'm from church. Inside here I have my sweater because anytime from now it might be raining. We are so blessed here. It keeps raining, like, yeah, God has blessed here in a very mighty way. So I'm coming live and clear from this side, and what is happening is that I'm going to the market. Yeah, I just want to pass by the market. I want to buy the small fish. My mom requested me to go and buy the small fish for her and the tomatoes. Yeah, so please subscribe the channel, like this video, share, and after watching this video to the end, hey, please leave a nice and sweet comment down below on what you think about this amazing video. So thank you so much and enjoy the video guys. Yeah, so this is I've been passing here guys. This is not like the first time. If it rains today, I'm going to see fire. See what I'm wearing? But yeah, it is what it is guys. So let's go to the market and yeah, see what is there. This is just the back street. The market is on the other side, so from here to the market it's just a walking distance. It's not like too far, no. Yeah, so keep it locked here, subscribe to the channel guys, and watch the video to the end guys. The clouds have changed. We had sun in the morning. Now the climate has started like changing. Yeah, so let's see what happens guys. And also remember today, being on Sunday, yeah, the kids this week, kids are going back to school. Even my sister, she'll be going back to school tomorrow. Tomorrow. So I'm expecting like to escort her to school. Yeah, the second term now is going to start officially, and this is this term it has like 14 weeks. So this is like the longest term that they actually have, yeah, in school, you know. Hello. So it looks like twins actually. It looks like twins. All of them, they are males. Yeah. So I was saying like this is the longest term. You know, when I was doing shopping with my sister was like, you know, this is like the longest time. So if it is the shop you're buying like because you know where my sister goes to school, the water there is very salty, and when the water is very salty, that is what she always tells me, you uses a lot of soap to wash the clothes, and also the water there is not like for drinking. It's not like that's why my sister had a problem. Some you remember when she joined school, like after 3 weeks, no, not 3 weeks, very few days, and then she got very sick. She got very bad malaria. Yeah, very bad malaria. So let us go this side and enjoy the video. Yeah, and also the climate was the problem before adapting. You know, my sister used to be in Kisii County, the first school, and then we transferred her to She's somewhere in Homa Bay County. Yeah, because Oyugis, she's somewhere in Oyugis town. I can't disclose the school because of security purposes, but she's in Oyugis, around there. That is Homa Bay County. Yeah, it's Homa Bay County. And Homa Bay County is being led by a woman governor. That is Honorable Gladys Wanga. Yes. Yeah, guys, that gentleman over there, he was talking to me. He was asking me, what is this? He has never seen a camera like this. So I had to explain. Yeah, so I was saying about my sister's school. Now, since she's in a different county, but now she has already adopted, She went there in January, then she got some malaria, but everything is good, guys. So I was talking about doing shopping, but I already did some shopping. A friend of mine helped me with some amount, and then I said, let me just try to do the shopping, guys. So we're going to this side actually, and this rain is coming. Yes, so guys, we are from the market. We had a lot of music at the market, so I had to mute the clip, yeah, the clips, yeah. But I got it. I'm right here. This is still at the town. I've just seen my brother. And we're just heading. I'm going to. My mom is not feeling well, so I'm going somewhere to get the medicine. Yeah, for her. And yeah, that's how the place looks like, guys. Wash away my sins. Oh, water! My sins. So a certain lady is very drunk. Hey. 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 And they find it's a certain lady who is very drunk. And she knows me, so she has been calling me, and I'm like, man.
Amerogwa.
Yeah, so guys, this is what is happening. Nothing much. People are running up and down. Business as usual. We are already from the market. I actually bought some oranges. The small fish, I did not find them. I bought some small some oranges for 50 Kenyan shillings for mom. Yeah.
Nimetoka kwa wifi sasa.